Hello guys, welcome to our new video tutorial series of Kotlin, and in this video we will explain about the what is Kotlin is and provide the brief introduction of Kotlin language. So let's start. Kotlin is a modern programming language developed by JetBrains designed to be concise, expressive and safe. It runs on Java Virtual Machine (JVM), make it fully compatible with Java, but it also offers a streamlined syntax. Kotlin can be used for building various type of mobile applications and web to mobile server-side application as well. So if I go to provide the overview of Kotlin and Java features. Okay, so what is the difference between Kotlin and Java? Kotlin is efficient and qualitative code. Java is platform independent. Kotlin Java interoperability, and Java is object oriented. As you know, that Java is an object oriented language, and Kotlin is Java interoperability. Okay, so Kotlin is open source technology. Java is for large community. Kotlin extensibility features. Java is for secure and robust. Kotlin no runtime ahead. Java is dynamic. Kotlin analog to Swift. Java is multi-threaded. Kotlin is compiled to JVM bytecode. Java is natural architecture. Kotlin is compiled to JavaScript. Java is for portable. So Kotlin compiler fail fast approach, and Java uses just-in-time compiler. These are the key differences between Kotlin and Java. Okay, so as I told you, Kotlin developed by JetBrains and the creator of popular tool like Intelligence IDEA. Open source is free to use. You can use anywhere through online and multi-purpose. It can be used for Android development, backend development, and server-side development as well. Interoperable by Java. You can mix Java and Kotlin in the same project, making it easy for Java developers to switch. Kotlin reduces the amount of boilerplate code compared for Java and helps to avoid common errors like null pointer exceptions. So, what is the boilerplate? Boilerplate is architecture like that uses a code which already like developers built a code, and you just need to add the boilerplate architecture in your code, and you are ready to you can use all the functions and data types, everything which you want to. Okay, so how's the Kotlin data types looks like? So Kotlin data types define such kind of values and such as numbers, text, logical values. These are the common data types. Integer like represent the whole number without decimal. So it's same like the C++ integer, it stores the integer value. Well, age, the variable name, and colon and integer is equal to 25. Double represented the floating number if you want to save a decimal number. Well, price and colon and double is equal to 99. String represent a sequence of characters like well name string. I will tell you what is well, and these are two major you know data types that are used, which is well and var. So same with boolean, it store like true or false only. So these are the common data types in Kotlin. Kotlin data types first is Boolean, character, number, string, array. So we have number, we have different types of numbers in Kotlin. Byte, short, integer, long for like saving long integer, double is for like decimal, float is also for decimal. And if you want to save something in bytes, you can save it through byte. Okay, so Kotlin, you don't always need to explicitly specify the date of type of variable. The compiler can offer infer the type based on the value you assign. For example, the compiler infers the number is an integer. So, like in val, if number is if I don't like add the colon and data type, it will automatically assign the data type according to the value. So if I assign the 10, it like the compiler gives the instructions to the the compiler basically manage its data type by its own using the value we put in. If we like type insert the integer, it will assign as an integer. If we change it, like if we first assign a string, it will act as a string. So we don't need to assign the data types. Its null safety. Kotlin most important feature is handling the null values explicitly. So what is null pointer exception? If a variable needs to hold a null value, you must explicitly allow it by appending the question marks to the type. So if var and string exclamation mark and null, so name now can hold a null value. So if we like want to insert a string with the null right now, like in later we take use input from user and assign to name, that's okay. We don't need to assign on the runtime. So it can handle a null value as well by using this question mark sign. Okay. So in this video, I had explained about the Kotlin data types and what is Kotlin. In my next video, I will explain more about what is var and val, what is the key differences between, and how we initialize the values.